We got 22 here. We got Shadow Silencers Duo Mini. We got 5 supers and then 5 subs running through this little 22 Mark Ruger. So have at it, man.
Great. 22's fun gun to shoot. And as you can tell, I just put, what, 20 rounds through this?
Yep.
And I'm holding the suppressor.
These scopes are so much fun.
They're just stupid fun. This is our Duo Mini. You can configure this. So now we have it in a long blast tube configuration with 2 baffles on the end of it. We normally have this with blast tube, 2 baffles, blast tube. That's how we normally configure it. That's how I have it configured on my gun, but you can kind of see the difference and how configurable this can is, and have at it. There we go.
I just picked up my head and I didn't even look anymore at the last like 3 rounds. I'm just like you don't hear it. That's freaking wild. Dude, it's cold. It's not even warm. It's cold.
These things are awesome.
Aren't they awesome? 46 cal Silentium, and what's it called?
Clockable compensator.
Compensator.
For the record, this is a UMP 45 full auto.
Full mag. You can grab that suppressor. Check that out. Sweet, that was awesome, and that is crazy that you can grab that.
Yeah. I mean, it's warm, but it's not smoking your hand. I run this same can on my 338 Lapua, and I can get about 8 or 9 rounds through it before it starts getting somewhat uncomfortable to hold. Where some of my other cans, 1 round and the can is smoking hot. So, same can. We just ran it on this full auto UMP 45 H&K. Fun gun. And fun to run. Shadow Silencers.
Hey guys, the Pew Pew Jew here. Once again, great range day with my buddies over at Shadow Silencers and Allegiance Project Foundation and Allegiance Project Security. If you don't know who Shadow Silencers are, go check them out at shadowsilencers.com.